What's up, everybody? This is Jamal C. Boyd Sr. bringing you this next version of the journey. Headed out to go pick some friends up from the airport and thought I'd take advantage of just sharing a little quick update on where things are with my family and I in the process of building our home here in Ohio. It's very interesting when God lays something before you, how it takes you through certain processes that sometimes we don't understand. And I wanted to offer some encouragement to folks out there who are going through a similar process or getting ready to go through the process or this part of their journey. We are still waiting to break ground, and it's been very interesting because God has continued to show us favor in this process. We're going through a very strenuous underwriting process, which has been very educational for me and for my family, and it's also causing us to exercise the patience that we need to exercise while waiting on God to do what He said that He was going to do. A lot of times we get caught up into what man says, and then we lose focus on what God said. But the underwriting process has been very interesting, and I say that because there's no place on a bank application or a loan application that says in God we trust, or God is in control, or we believe what God said. And you know, they take you through a process of asking you for documents from years back, and 15 different requirements. You give them 16 and then they come up with the 17th. But the interesting thing is that in all that we've been asked to provide, God has allowed us to be able to give it. And the encouragement there is that don't let the hurdle slow you down. Even though it may not be on the time frame that you might want, the hurdle is there for you to get over and to give God the glory with overcoming those hurdles. So be patient in the process, because as I said, God has shown extreme favor in this entire process for us. We are waiting for the underwriting and the financing to be approved, and then we will be breaking ground, which, it's winter. We can be patient through the winter months and allow for the groundbreaking to be when the weather is improved. But the other thing I wanted to share as a point of encouragement is that, God is always proving man wrong. I was laid off for 2.5 years, and credit scores and on-time payments and things like that may not have always been where banks and lenders want them to be. But everything that they've asked for in terms of a credit score, financial down payment, and other things that we've needed to satisfy a loan application, even in the midst of not having employment for 2.5 years, still owning a property in Philadelphia and buying a property here, all of those things that can be deemed as cautionary for a bank loan, God has said that that is not a problem. So be encouraged. Those of you who are planning to follow God's plan and allow God to do what He said that He was going to do, don't let man's requirements slow you down from God's destiny that He has planned for you and your family. And be obedient, be faithful, tithe, give your support and time and treasure to what God is telling you to do, and watch how God shows up and shows out on your behalf. I hope that this encourages someone. I hope that this is a blessing to many who may be struggling, and don't be afraid to be transparent. It's okay. If you're so caught up and worried about what other people are going to say about you, when God is telling you to share because it might be a blessing that God is trying to get through you to somebody else, then that's going to hold you back and slow you down from getting what God has for you, because your testimony is not yours. God gives it to you for a reason. And when you think that you own what God has allowed you to go through, I think that you set yourself up for failure, because then you're worried about somebody judging you or making you look bad because of what God allowed you to experience that will be a blessing to somebody else. So be encouraged. Keep doing what you need to do for God, and watch how God shows up for you. Be blessed. Love y'all. Till the next time. Talk to y'all soon.